Shut up and sit down.
Hey everybody, this is Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and I've got two really awesome Dollar General deals for you this week. You are not going to want to miss them, but first I just wanted to let you know we are working really hard toward hitting our goal of 250 subscribers, but we can't do it without your help. So if you wouldn't mind, please like and share this video. Share it with all your friends, like it like your life depends on it, because we are going to have a giveaway when we hit 250 subscribers. We are giving away 3 awesome unique prizes. You are not going to want to miss it. We will announce what those prizes are when we hit 250 subscribers and share that giveaway video with you. So without further ado, let's get into the deals.
Okay, the first thing we're going to pick up in our first transaction here is the Gain Liquid Fabric Softener. It is on sale for $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making it $1.95. Now, as you can see, there are a couple different types of items you can pick up here under the Gain category. There's the liquid laundry detergent, the powder 30 load, the 34-ounce ultra liquid fabric softener, which is what I'm going to get just because fabric softener is something that we're getting close to out of, and the detergent packs are something that we're pretty stocked up on. So if you're picking up that Gain liquid fabric softener like me, make sure you're getting the 48 or the 48 load or the 41-ounce bottle, because that's what this coupon is good for. So the next item that we're going to get is the Charmin Essential Soft Bath Tissue, 12 double rolls. That's important. The sizes can get weird and different. Double roll versus family roll, and there's a whole list of issues. So 12 double rolls is what you want to get. They're on sale for $4.95. We have a $1 off coupon, which makes them $3.95. Doesn't sound like a lot, but at the end, this is going to work out to be a very low out-of-pocket and low per item cost, especially considering this is 12 rolls of toilet paper. That's really good. And the next item we're going to grab are the Tide Pods for $4.95. As you can see here, the 16-count pouches are $4.95. This is what you want to pick up. Now, not the Tide Simply. That's a 13-count, so watch for that. But the 16-count pouches of Tide Pods, this is what you want to pick up for this coupon. Now, in your coupon gallery, you will have, there's a $3 off coupon for Tide Pods 23 to 31 count. So do not use this thinking it's going to work, because this will not work on the 16 count pouches, which is what you're going to pick up here to keep your out-of-pocket low. You want to pick up a 16 count pouch for $4.95. You're going to use a $3 off coupon that was in the last Smart Source? Retail Me Not, sorry. Last Retail Me Not insert had this $3 off coupon, and the insert says that it can be any size pouch that is 9 count or larger, so you don't need to buy, you can go as low as 9 count basically is what they're saying, I think. So you definitely want to get the 16 count for $4.95 and use a $3 off of one paper coupon. Do not try and use the digital coupon that's in your account. The next item that you're going to pick up is the Tidy Cats cat litter. Hopefully we have some cat lovers and some pet owners watching this video. It's on sale this week for buy one get one free, and they are regularly $3.50. So that means that's $7 that's going to be going toward your total, and you're only going to pay $3.50 for 2 of the big bags, 10-pound bags. So that's a lot of cat litter. Now, I don't know that this brand is particularly the best cat litter out there. I'm sure with cat litter, it's usually you get what you pay for, basically. The more expensive it is, the nicer it tends to be in terms of keeping smell down and that sort of thing. But you know what? Cat litter is cat litter, and I'll take a free bag of it any day. My cats go through litter like crazy, so definitely 2 10-pound bags is going to stock us up, and that's awesome. So pick those up. You're going to add those to your total. The next item you're going to get is the buy one get one right guard. So you're looking for Right Guard Extreme Defense right there. It is the Fresh Blast Antiperspirant Gel, and you're looking for the 3 ounces. There is a buy one get one free coupon in your gallery. Let's check that out. right there. Buy one Right Guard Extreme Defense Antiperspirant Deodorant, get one free, maximum value $4. And these are only 3, so that's going to work out for us. So we're going to add that item. And then the last thing we're going to pick up are the Centrum Multi Gummies. Okay, right there. So those are $4.20. And we're going to pick those up. And we have a $3 off paper coupon that I believe came from the last Retail Me Not. So we're going to pick those up. Now, this $4.20 might be a clearance price. So I know that some of those gummies have the 10% off or the 50% off tags, orange tags on them on the shelf. So if this happens to be one of them, you might want to substitute out this item for something else if you can't find it, if your store is all out of them. It has to be at least a 50 count, so this 7 would work. This $7 one would work, but you just want to make sure that you're not paying too much out of pocket. So consider swapping that out for something else if you can't find this 70 count version that's $4.20. Okay, that's going to wrap up our first deal. You're just going to add all of those items to your transaction. You're going to use your $5 off of 25 paper or digital coupon. I prefer paper. If you don't know the order in which to do your couponing, paper versus 5 off 25 plus digitals plus, scanning the items in, there is a specific trick to that. So check out our basics of couponing at Dollar General video. We just came out with it, I think, last week. So definitely check that out. There'll be a link in the description box for you to check out that video if you need some pointers, if you're new to couponing at Dollar General, or you just need a refresher on couponing in general. So that'll be there. So use your 5 off of 25 paper coupon, and your out-of-pocket cost after all of that should be $7.05 or 88 cents per item, which I think is an awesome deal. It's cheaper than getting any of it at the Dollar Tree. You're getting, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for 88 cents, and we're talking fabric softener, we're talking toilet paper. Tell me where else you can get toilet paper for 88 cents for 12 rolls. You can't. It's crazy. It's a great deal. So definitely do this deal this week. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Okay, so if one deal this week wasn't enough for you, or you're not a cat lover and you don't need cat litter, you can always swap that out in the first transaction. But I've got a second transaction for you just in case, to keep you covered if you need more personal care type items and less of the household items. We've got a couple of different things in this one just for you to choose from. So we're going to start by picking up 1 pack of the Poise Ultra Thin Pads. They are 30 count. I'll show you what they look like right there. So any 1 package of the Poise Ultra Thin Pads or Active Collection pads. When I searched for them, I don't know if I saw the Active Collection ones, but I'm picking up 1 package of the Poise Ultra Thin Pads. They are 30 count. They are $5, and we have a $3 off high value coupon, so that's going to make them $2. Even if you don't use these, this is a really nice item to donate. That's a really nice item for that. The next thing we're going to pick up is the Tide Pods. I included this on both transactions because who doesn't need a little bit of extra detergent in their life? And also, if you want to make a little extra side money hustling some of your coupon items, Tide is extremely popular. In fact, I'm going to have a video coming out soon about how I sell Tide when I do my couponing transactions and get a bunch of stock of it, how I sell it and make, just a little bit of pocket change here and there. But yeah, it definitely is a big seller, especially on Facebook Marketplace. So if you, aren't in love with Tide, you could always sell it and make a little bit of extra cash. But we're going to pick up Tide, 16 count. Like I said, make sure you're not using the digital version of the coupon because that has a size requirement that we do not want to have to meet. Picking up the 16 count for $4.95. We're using the $3 off paper coupon that was in the last Retail Me Not, and that's going to make that $1.95. So that's really awesome. The next 2 items that we're going to pick up are both Colgate. I listed them out here for you. The Colgate Total SF Advanced, Optic White Advanced Whitening or Platinum, Enamel Health Essentials, or Sensitive Toothpaste. So you have a lot of different choices there. They need to be 3 ounces or larger. They are $3 a piece, so that's $6 added towards your total, but we have this really nice $4 off of 2 coupon. Let's find it here. There it is. $4 off of 2 on the Colgate, so that's great. That's a great deal. The next 2 items you're going to pick up are the 2 Febreze, just regular old Febreze. They could be Gain scented if you want, or any other scent, doesn't matter. You're going to pick up 2 for $6. They're $3 a piece. There was a paper coupon for buy one, get one free in the P&G insert, which I prefer using the paper just because I think the paper works better sometimes than the digitals. But there's also a digital in your account. Let's see if we can find it. Basically, so there's the 2 Febreze car products, which you could use. It's the same amount. It won't mess up your totals. Or you could do the $3 off of 2 regular Febreze products right there. Next, you're going to pick up this pack of Energizer batteries. It's a 2 count for $2.50. Any of the kinds, really, AAA, AA, doesn't matter, but you have your pick of whatever you need batteries for. We're going to pick one up for $2.50. We've got a coupon, paper coupon from, I think it was one of the last Smart Source inserts for $1.25. Sorry, that should say off of 1. Fixing. And by the way, if you need this printable list, this will be available at our blog, and the link will be in the description box below so that you can take this printable list with you to the store. You don't have to worry about doing screenshots or writing things down. So the last item that you're going to pick up are these Cottonelle flushable wipes. I had these on my last deal last week as well. I just really like them, and I like using the coupon that we get that's $1 off coupon on them just as part of our deal. If you're not into it, if you don't like the flushable wipes, you could always substitute something that's around the same price with a similar amount off, and then your deal would be roughly the same out-of-pocket cost. But I really like them. Even if you don't like them as bathroom wipes, you can always use them as like little wet wipes that you keep in your purse for the kids, or whatever. And they have those aloe and vitamin E version right here as well, which is kind of nice. So I like those. They're $2.75. We're having $1 off. And that is the last item, bringing our total out-of-pocket cost to $6.95 or 86 cents per item. Don't forget to use your 5 off of 25 on this. That'll be included in your printable deal. But yeah, so that is $6.95 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, making it 86 cents per item. That's even a little cheaper than our first deal. So that is really awesome. You guys are going to have a great week with that.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you get some really good savings this week and those DG deals really work for you. Let me know in the comments if you liked them, if they worked for you, if you got some really good savings, or if there's something specific you want to see for next time on a different type of deal, whether that's pet items or laundry items. Just let us know in the comments what you're interested in. And don't forget to like and share this video for a chance at one of our 3 awesome prizes coming up when we hit 250 subscribers. So thanks again for watching, and have a great week, guys.
Shut up and sit down.